Hey guys, it's Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today in the barbecue pit studio, it is all about smoked chicken wings on the Big Green Egg. We're gonna add a little bit of hickory today to really develop some more flavor. We're gonna finish these guys off with smoked blue cheese. These wings are definitely going to be next level. So thanks for hanging out with us. Let's get cooking. Doesn't take a lot of ingredients to make really good wings. So we're gonna start off today with Tiki Tiki. That's gonna be the rub to season everything off. And then a little bit of that canola oil. You know, we love that as a good blend. We've got 2 pounds of chicken wings. These are just normal chicken wings. We've got drummies and flaps, so you get to pick what you like more. We've got smoked blue cheese. We're gonna finish it with smoked blue cheese, some of that amazing Big Green Egg cayenne pepper sauce, and then a little bit of Fie Honey. So we're gonna have that creaminess out of the blue cheese, a little bit of heat, and definitely a little bit of sweet. Now, time to get some prep done. Prep time, really easy today. We're gonna go ahead and add those wings to the bowl, get those guys set. Then we're gonna add just enough oil to coat. I always say maybe 2 to 4 tablespoons. I don't want a lot of oil. I just need a little bit to coat the wings. And then Tiki Tiki. We say 4 to 6 tablespoons, but honest, add whatever you feel is right. This is gonna give it that beautiful sweetness, a little bit of island flavor as well. Get these guys all mixed up and ready. Now, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let these sit for a few minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes or so, and then we'll head out, get the Big Green Egg started, and get everything ready for some wing fun. Okay, we've got the Big Green Egg Igniter set. Now, what we're doing is basically just looking for a nice little red hot pile down there. Then we'll turn that fan on, and now we'll really turbocharge this and get it all set. Now, we're gonna leave the top and bottom vents wide open so that we can drive it towards that 450 degrees. And then we will show you when we get there how to adjust the top and bottom so we can hold it. But I'm gonna start the fire right in the middle today, and then I'm gonna use that outside ring to kind of cook a little bit indirect, right, on the same grill. As we make that climb to 450, I have the bottom screen closed. I'm gonna go ahead now and adjust it about half, right? Because I'm gonna hold the air in. Now, if you come up top, we're starting to make that climb, but what we'll do is slowly adjust this down, and I'm gonna let that sit about halfway. Now, we'll keep track of the temp, make sure it hits that 450 degrees. We wanted to enhance a little bit of flavor, so I'm gonna put 2 pieces of hickory in there because I wanna get just that beautiful hickory. Now, we'll add the grill grate, we'll let that hickory start smoldering for just a couple minutes. When we come back, we're gonna add the wings, get this party going. We are right at 450. Now, check it out. We wanna give it a little burp, right? And then open that slowly. We don't wanna get all that smoke out. But here's what we're gonna do, you guys. We're gonna load these wings around the outside of the heat zone, right? We're almost gonna do a little indirect, but we'll set them up around the outside here. I know that wood is ignited, don't worry about it. It will snuff again once we close it, but let these guys go now for 10 minutes and then we'll come back, get them all flipped. We burped the Big Green Egg, got everything open and ready. Now, here's something to think about. One of the things we did is kind of put them outer ring. We can move them right above the heat, kind of direct if you need to, but I'll tell you what, the cool part is, look at this. As they get done, if we want to just finish them off, now I'm going to utilize the outer part of the Big Green Egg to finish these guys off. So I got a beautiful char on there. I've got some awesome crust. What I'm gonna do now, let these guys go for another 10 minutes, almost indirect, and then we'll get them out, get them in the bowl, and get into the kitchen. All right, go through and check temperature. We are right at 165. Let's get these guys off, into the bowl and into the kitchen. Don't forget, one of my biggest chef's tip, make sure you have a good digital thermometer because you wanna always track temperature. Now, chicken wings, done, 165 degrees. Time to top these guys. So we're gonna use half a cup of that cayenne pepper sauce, the Big Green Egg cayenne pepper sauce. That is gonna give us nice pop of heat. A little bit of sweet from our Fie Honey, but then also a little bit of heat too, right? So add about a 1/4 cup of Fie Honey. And now, very important, do it while the wings are hot. A little bit of smoked blue cheese, about 8 ounces of smoked blue cheese. Now, get this all tossed. And the beauty is, the heat from the wings will start to melt that blue cheese. So you are going to get an absolutely beautiful creaminess in these. So instead of using butter, we are doubling down on blue cheese. We are all dressed. We are all tossed. Life is good. Let's go ahead and get these guys into the bowl. Hey, they say presentation is everything. I absolutely agree. So we're gonna make them look pretty. We're gonna get them all set. And then I'll show you guys what I like to do with the rest of the sauce. Pour it right over the top. Then we're gonna top it with a little bit of chopped green onions as well. So check this out. Try not to block your view. That is chicken wing heaven. Next level chicken wings right there. Totally next level wings for sure. Like I said, we didn't use butter in here because I wanted to get that creaminess out of the blue cheese. Don't forget too, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, click those post notifications because we have such awesome content. We don't want you to miss out on it. And by doing all those things, you'll be notified when all of our videos go live. And then don't forget, leave us your questions and comments below because your viewer requests drive all the video content we make. And then talk about amazing recipes today. We've got more Big Green Egg recipes coming up at the end of today's video. Be sure to click on those as well. Total cook time today was 20 minutes, but like the recipe says, if your wings don't hit that 165 degrees in 20 minutes, continue to cook in 5-minute increments until they are done. Then we tossed everything in that bowl, let that cheese melt, beautifully creamy, delicious, totally next level chicken wings. That right there is worth the price of admission. I'm Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. It is time to do a little bit of that quality control we love so much. Cheers.